Hey, how we doing, guys? So I'm back, and I kind of splurged, you know. The last card openings I've done, I wanted to buy more, and I got crazy. So I bought, how many is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I bought six booster packs. 4 of them are Ancient Origins, 2 of them are Soaring Skies. Instead of opening one pack, I thought it would be more exciting, you know, to open more than one pack. Because even though it's a short video and people like short videos, I mean, there's more in the video, more quality. So, or quantity, I mean. Alright. So, we're going to open our first Origin pack, Ancient Origin pack, right now. See what we get. Alright, let's see what we get. Alright, so our first card, we get a Force to Giant Plants. Second card, we get a Sable. I like how that looks. Next card, we get a Curlia, I mean. The next card, we get a Combi. Next card, we get a Meowth. Next card, we get an Oddish, Malamar, Porygon. We get a Reverse Hollow Common Eevee. Wow, I really like how it looks. I think we have this one already. And we get a rare Registeel. No shiny, no foil, sorry. Here's the art. Alright, that is our first Ancient Origins pack. At the end, I'll be doing a review of all the rares I get or hollows. So stay tuned for that. Second pack. Also, I bought these for $3.99. I think they were $3.99 or $2.99. I can't remember. I bought them for $3.99 at Walmart. Total came up to about, how much was it? 30 bucks? 30 bucks flat, I think. Alright. Alright. Our next pack, we get an Ace Trainer for our first card. We get a Dangerous Energy. Thought it was Dark Energy. We get a Rotom for our next card. A Wooper. A Spinarak. A Quagsire. What is he? Throwing mud at himself? I don't know what he's doing. Alright, we get a Magikarp. I have a million of those. You can never have enough Magikarps, man. I get an Unknown. I have a reverse foil of this, I think. Oh, and a reverse common Golurk. What? Whoa. I don't understand this. I've never seen this before. What's the difference? So rare, but what kind of card is this? I've never seen this before. If you guys could tell me in the comment section below what that is, what's the difference? I know this is a reverse common foil, but I've never seen a card like this with something on the top that says says stop prevents all effects on opponent ability to this Pokemon. So it has like a trainer card attached to it, but it's not a trainer card. It's like an ability, I guess. That's weird. All right. That's our second pack. Alright, I'm gonna be going fast through these because I'm already 5 minutes into the video. My last video was like 2 minutes, I think. So third Ancient Origins pack. Alright. That is the sickest Pokemon I've seen. Looks evil. Alright. That goes over there. Alright. So, our first card for this pack is a Whimsicott, or Whimsicott. Second one we get is a Tyranitar Spirit Link. I have a Mega Tyranitar EX. I think that was my previous video. We got a Gloom. We got another Malamar. Oh, wow. Okay, no, that was my last pack, I think. Okay, we got a Malamar. We got a Golett. Ralts. Hiding in the Shadows. Persian. Another unknown. A reversed holo. Common Larvesta. Is that shiny? Yes, that is. Is it? I don't know if that's shiny or not. I'm assuming that's a hollow rare clay doll. I'm not sure. I don't know if my eyes are messed up. That's the evolvation of. I think. No, not. Damn, I can't remember the evolvation. I have a million of them now. Alright, here goes our last pack of Ancient Origins. Ooh. I'm not sure if that's Omega Rayquaza or something, but I don't know, a lot of new Pokemon have came out that I'm not aware of. I didn't know there was like 700 plus Pokemon. Alright. What am I doing? 2, 3. Alright. So, next first Pokemon of this pack is a Rotom. Dangerous Energy. Flareon. Beldum. Another unknown. A Baltar, that's the evolvation. Wow, I couldn't think of that. See, what is this? I do not get this. What is this? Why do they get like an extra ability? Stop. Prevents all effects of your opponent's Pokemon's abilities. This Pokemon. I don't get that. Why do they get that? What kind of Pokemon is this? Did you comment down below what that is? I'm not sure what that is. But we got a Baltoy, a Cottony, another Quagsire throwing mud at his face. We get a reverse holo common, Inkay. And we get a rare Metagross. No foil. Alright. Alright. Now we're going to be opening Soaring Skies. So, I only got 2 packs of those on like Ancient Origins where I got 4 packs. It's because when I went to Walmart, they only had. Right now I'm grabbing all the rares to show you guys. Yeah, they didn't have as much packs at Walmart of Soaring Skies. I'm guessing these are getting old. I think these came out in February. I'm not so sure. I think Ancient Origins came out in February actually. I'm not sure. Rayquaza. Wait. Mega Rayquaza? What the heck is that then? Alright. Alright. So our first pack for Soaring Skies is Inkay. We get Togepi. An Execute. A Natu. Oh man, I just spoiled something and I just saw it in the back. Natu. A Fletchling. Oh my god. That looks awesome. That's a reverse Hoyle Talonflame. Oh my god. Are you serious? Omega Galate EX. Oh my god, that is awesome. Look at that. Dude, he's backslapping you. Alright. Alright. Oh wow, there's more? Oh, I didn't flip the 3. Okay, so that goes there. These are my 2 rares. We got an Executor, the evolution of... Oh, we have it. Execute. Healing Scarf. And a Shelgon. Shelgon. Wow. Alright, our last pack, guys, is one last Soaring Skies. Soaring Skies. I'm not sure if that's like... See, I've seen Latios and the other one, but I don't know what that one is. That's a Gallade? Mega Gallade? Did I just get that? Is that the artwork for it? I guess so. Alright, this is our last pack. 1, 2, 3. Alright. So we got a Revive. Khaled Spirit Link. We just got the Mega. We got Skyfield. We got a Pikachu. We got a Bidove. We got a Bagoon. A Gon. We got a Tailo. We got a Wurmple. A Reverse Hollow Dratini. And oh my god. Oh my god, that's so cool. We got a Rare Deoxys Hollow. That is awesome. Alright, so I'm going to recap real quick of all the hollows, or all the cards I thought was important. So, we got a Deoxys, our first hollow Dratini, a full art Mega Gallade EX, a reverse hollow Talonflame, a rare Registeel, reverse hollow Eevee, a reverse hollow Inkay. I don't know what this is, but I'm leaving in this pile. A Golurk, a reverse hollow Golurk, a hollow Clay Doll, and a reverse hollow Larvesta, and just a non-foil Metagross. But I think out of those 6 packs, this has to be the best one. That is awesome. Alright, if you guys liked the video, drop a like down below. And if you want to see me open more card packs or just different booster packs, make sure you comment down below as well. And if you want to see more, just subscribe, because I'll be doing these probably way more often than I am right now. Like, I just bought 6 packs, but I want to buy 12 more packs, because opening these cards is just amazing, and I love putting... I went all out, man. I used to collect Yu-Gi-Oh! So I collected Pokemon, and Then I started collecting Yu-Gi-Oh! And now I'm back into Pokemon, and now I just want to collect every damn Pokemon card and not every Yu-Gi-Oh! Card again. But it's expensive, so. But anyway, I'm ranting. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a great day.